How to link your PayPal account with your eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to link your PayPal account with eBay. Easy and fast and simple. So all what you have to do is log into your account, of course, and now go to the top here and click on account settings. Choose account settings. Now on this page you will find many options, and here is the payment or information option. Click on PayPal account and you will be able to connect it. Easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.